Spectrum TV is ideal for newcomers to streaming who still enjoy local news or live TV. However, there's still some TV brands like Sony TV that don't support it. So today I'm gonna give you workarounds how to install Spectrum TV apps to your Sony TV. And stick around, I'm about to demonstrate how to get it done quickly. Before getting started, make sure you have given us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for further tips and tricks. Apparently, you cannot install the Spectrum app on Sony Smart TVs, but instead, you can bypass this limitation by simply connecting a streaming device, such as a Roku player or an Apple TV box. Install the app and start watching right on your TV. Let me show you how with my Apple TV 4K box. First, we're gonna plug the Apple TV box into your Sony TV HDMI port and use the TV remote to switch the HDMI input to show the Apple TV screen. Next, get on this Apple TV remote and head to the App Store. Then, we gotta search for Spectrum TV and then tap on it for a result for installing. Once the Spectrum TV app is installed, simply open it. All you need to do now is log in with your Spectrum TV account and enjoy. You can easily stream a Spectrum TV mobile app from your phone or tablet to your Sony TV. This can be done by mirroring your entire screen using AirPlay on an Apple device like an iPhone or iPad. I'll be using my iPhone 13 to show you precisely how to cast the Spectrum TV app to your TV. First, ensure your phone and Sony TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then swipe down on your phone to open the control center and then tap screen mirroring icon. A list of devices will appear. Select your Sony TV to connect. You see an AirPlay pairing code on your TV screen. Enter this code on your phone to complete the screen mirroring process. Once you see your phone screen on the TV, open the Spectrum app you installed from the App Store. Log in with your Spectrum account to start watching. Besides, you can repeat these steps to AirPlay Spectrum content from your MacBook or iPad. If you're looking for a detailed walkthrough, let's check out this video. If you get used to streaming on the Spectrum TV website through your laptop or PC, you have the option to cat it to your Sony TV for a bigger screen experience. And here's how to do it. Firstly, you need to make sure both your TV and computer connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, open a web browser on your device. Here I used Google Chrome. Now, go to the Spectrum TV website. Then, click the three dots standing for your menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. Select Save and Share, then choose the Cast button. Now, choose what you want to cast, either the tab you're currently viewing or your entire screen. Then, select your Sony TV from the device list to begin casting. Once the Spectrum TV site is displayed on your TV, simply log in to start your binge watching. Okay, that's all for our guide. If you get trouble with getting Netflix on mini portable projectors like HDMI, the one on screen here is for you. Again, thanks for tuning in and catching you in the next video.